Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix slow download speed in the Xbox app on Windows 11. First, close the Xbox app completely. Make sure it is not running in the background. After that, restart your PC. This can help clear temporary network issues. Next, open Windows 11 settings by pressing Windows key plus I. Go to Network and Internet, then your connection, Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Make sure your connection is not set as a metered connection. If it is, turn it off. Go back to Settings, select Windows Update, and then Advanced Options. Open Delivery Optimization. Turn off Allow downloads from other PCs. If your downloads are still slow, open Task Manager by right-clicking on the taskbar. Check if other apps are using a lot of network speed and close them. Another step is to sign out of the Xbox app and sign back in. This can refresh your connection to Microsoft servers. Quick tips. Use a wired Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi if possible. Try downloading games during off-peak hours when fewer people are online. After following these steps, your Xbox app downloads on Windows 11 should be faster. Thanks for watching.